Hello, sir.
Hello,
Where are you from?
I am from Sangoli, Bhadrak.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Sanjay Kumar Barik.
What do you do?
Nothing, I am a spoken English trainer and teaching spoken English to the students.
Oh, you are a spoken English trainer.
Yeah,
So, please, can you tell me what is the difference between spoken English and written English?
yeah, it is a good question for me. I would like to tell you that there is big difference in between English and spoken English. English basically divided into two types, that is written English and spoken English. The English that we read and write is called written English. The English that we listen and speak is called spoken English. Then you might have known what is English. English is a language by which we communicate each and every place of the world. This is called worldwide language or educated language. So those people who can read and write, they cannot speak better, and those who can speak better, they can also read and write properly. So I would like to tell you that spoken English basically delete our fearness, nervousness, sameness, and boost our courage, confidence, intelligence, and intellectual power, diplomatic power, and smartness. That's why there is a big difference in between English and spoken English. So I think spoken English is better than written English, and written English require everywhere, but without spoken English you cannot improve your knowledge.
Okay, sir. Can you give some tricks and tips to improve our English?
Yeah, it is a good question for me as a spoken English trainer, and I am sharing my tricks and tips with the students how to speak better English. So I would like to tell you that whatever I am teaching in spoken English, that is not available in written English. So whatever you are learning in the written English, that is not available in the spoken English. Spoken English is something different because in spoken English we are basically speaking with somebody, doing communication, and we have to learn some communicable words, and we have to improve our vocabulary. So I would like to tell you that when we are learning written English, we have to learn noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, conjunction, and we have to improve our grammatical base. But in spoken English, grammar is not so important, and we have to create sound idea about the grammar. But in spite of that, we need more practice. And my first trick is that how to improve the brain power. If you have brain power, you can remember more, you can speak more, you can communicate betterly with others. So if you have no brain power, you cannot remember only one sentence. How can you speak one paragraph and one page, and how can you talk more with the people? So first of all, we should have to improve the brain power, and if you want to learn spoken English, so spoken English, for to speak English, and we need some other tips and tricks that I want to keep secret it. And I have a trick that within 10 days you can speak 10 crore sentence with big challenge, and that is the very amazing trick that available in me, not available anywhere in the world. So wherever you see, wherever you stand, wherever you go, you can speak English by seeing your surroundings, by seeing your environment. That is my second promise. And my third promise is that by using single word, you can ask any question to anybody. Millions of questions you can ask to anybody and make your communication better. That is also another trick. And my another next trick is that you can improve your grammatical knowledge within few minutes or few hours. And in spite of that, to speak better English, we need some practice, and we need conversation with our trainer, with the good speakers. Then after we can improve our English knowledge. So there is no major tricks and tips, and for spoken English we have to learn little bits.
Okay, sir. I have known that you have a spoken English channel, and can you tell about your channel?
Yeah, I would like to tell you that I am teaching spoken English to the students in my institution, British English Bhadrak. Then after, I am teaching spoken English to the students in my YouTube channel, that is SKB English. And in spite of that, I am going out of Bhadrak and out of Odisha sometimes, some new colleges, and to teach the spoken English to the students as a trainer.
Okay, sir. What is the difference between educated people and uneducated people?
I would like to tell you that there is a big difference in between educated people and uneducated people. What about the quality educated people have? Uneducated people have nothing. Educated people have understanding power, judgment power, nature, manner, behavior, gesture, posture, and adjustment power, discipline. Such quality is not available among the uneducated people. Uneducated people basically and quarreling like a cat and dog. They don't have understanding power, what is good, what is bad, what to do, what not to do, what is wrong and what is right. So in spite of that, educated people are civilized, social, gentle, kind. Uneducated people are violent and involved in the antisocial work like raping, murder, kidnapping, maoism, terrorism, robbery, etc. That's why there is hell and heaven difference in between educated people and uneducated people.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Thanks for asking the questions to me. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.